everyone. Today I am going to discuss task 1, that is about pie chart. Here it is shown. The two pie charts are given. It is about the online sales for retail sectors in New Zealand. So what is given in this pie chart? The pie charts below show the online shopping sales for retail sectors in New Zealand in 2003 and 2013. Means for 2 different years, the online sales for retail sectors are depicted by these 2 pie charts. So one pie chart is for 2013 sales and second one is for 2003 sales. Okay, let's start. Firstly, we need to paraphrase the statement. So, how can we paraphrase the statement? The pie charts below show for the pie charts what else we can use? The pictorial representation or the graphical representation. So, the pictorial or graphical representation, the pictorial or graphical representation, graphical or pictorial representation show. So here the show is for 2 charts. When we are talking about the plural thing, then we don't use s or es with the verb. And but here, if we are combining both these things, pictorial representation or the pictorial representations, these depict or elucidate, representations depict or elucidate the online shopping sales. Means the marketing of the virtual or cyber marketing of 1, 2, 3 and 4 of 4 different categories of categories in 2003 and 2013. So this is the simplest way of paraphrasing the statement. You can make it more innovative also, but in simple, if you want to paraphrase, you can just give the synonyms of the words and it is also a good one. Clear? So now find out the overall points. What overall points can be? Like the travel is 36% here, and in 2013 also it is 29% more than the others. So we can make overall point that the travel industry overall in general, the travel industry was most popular or it was gaining ground. Overall, the travel industry or sector was gaining ground. Travel industry was gaining ground, whereas the least preferences were for books in 2003. The least preferences were for the books in 2003. 2003, comparatively in 2013, clothes were the least favorable. Comparatively in 2013, where the clothes were the least favorable, or the shopping for the clothes was less favorable. Clear? So this is how you can make the overall paragraph, that the travel industry was most preferable in both the years, was gaining ground in both the years, whereas books were least favorable in 2013, comparatively in 2003, comparatively 2013, where the clothes were less favorable. Clear? So let's move towards the body paragraphs. How we can make the body paragraphs. Okay. Looking into the details, it is lucid, it is clear, or it is vivid that the virtual sales for the travel accounted for 36%. Virtual sales for travel accounted for 36%. That declined up to 29% in 2013, or that declined by, if we subtract the 36 from 29, then what figure we get? Like the virtual sales for travel industry accounted for 36% in 2003, that were 7% higher than, that were 7% higher for the same in 2013. Means for the same products, these sales were 7% higher. Okay, and the first point you can give like this, and the second one you can make for the film and music. So film and music, the figures or the statistics for film and music were 21% in 2003, and these figures were, this is 21%, 11% less than less than in 2003. Clear? So these figures were 11% lesser in comparison to the figures in 2003 for the same items or for the same products or goods. Clear? So with this we can close the body paragraph 1, and after this we should move towards the body paragraph 2. In the body paragraph 1 we covered two sectors, travel film, and in the next one we can cover the clothes and books. So for the clothes and books, having glance or moving further or probing ahead, having glance at the rest of the data, for the clothes and books, the figures for clothes in 2003, notice the data for 2003 for the clothes noticed by 24%. That was 5% higher than the books. Okay, this data, the data for the clothes was 5% higher than the books, and after a decade, the figures of the statistics were 8% more for the clothes and for the clothes the figures were 8% less in 2013, and for the books there was an increment of 3%, or 3% increment was witnessed by the figures of books in 2003. Clear? So these 2 points you can cover in body paragraph 2, and these 2 you can cover in body paragraph 2nd. In the first these 2 and in the second these 2. So you need to make the comparisons also. If you are just dealing with this one in body paragraph 1 and this thing in 2, this is not a good way of attempting this task. So you need to make the comparisons meanwhile you are attempting it. So like you can make comparison in body paragraph 1 for this and this, for this and this, and in the second you can make these comparisons also, and after a decade you can make the comparison like this. Clear? Okay, thank you.